Have you experienced this of having a whole year to study, but even though procrastinating and just before one day of the exam, we try to cover the whole syllabus and also make it up almost to 80%? How is that even possible? It's just Parkinson's law behind that. Parkinson's law says that work expands to fill the time available for its completion. Basically, you're not lazy. It's just the illusion of contraction and expansion of the time. Let's see how to beat procrastination with Parkinson's law. 1. Set artificial deadlines. Break your syllabus into smaller chunks and assign yourself a little early deadlines so that you can complete it a little sooner. 2. You can have some accountability partners by sharing your deadlines with your friend or a mentor, something like that. 3 is you can always have a reward attached to every task. Since you're completing your task a little earlier, you can have some rewards which motivates you to complete it. The magic of Parkinson's law isn't just for last minute miracles. You can use it to work smarter every day. Also remember, don't set very tight deadlines, which might lead to exhaustion. So try this hack next time when you sit to work and share it in the comments below how it was useful to you. Thank you.